In these sessions, we are going to learn how to insert a special comments or particular comments in respective cells in Excel. You can insert comments for each and every cell in Excel. Comment is a good way because it will not be visible in this cell. However, it will show in the backend. Let's see how it will works with a few examples. For example, in this database, you can see the list of students and their marks, right? Just assume that the first person, Mr. Ali, scored just only 48. So that means he's failed. So I just want to give the comment as failed in the backend of Ali's mark. For that, just click on the respective cell. In this case, I'm just selecting the marks where you put it, that is C2. And right click, you can see insert comment option. Just click on it. As soon as you click on that options, one comment box will appear here. So I'm just going to give the comments as failed. Okay, but default it will show only this much of space. If you have more comments and all, you just drag like this. Okay, you can put a number of comments with more length and all. I'm just resizing here. And now if I go and click anywhere else in this sheet, that comments is permanent in that cell. That means invisible. And if I go and move mouse over that cell, it would be visible here. See, I can also edit this comment. Just right click here. You can see edit comment. Just click on it. Again, if you want to add something or delete something, you can do here. And for example, I'm just giving some remarks like need to improve because he failed, right? And I'm just moving the cursor somewhere here. Again, it's invisible. And in case if you want to delete this comment, just click on that particular cell and right click, you can click on this delete comment. For time being, I'm not deleting because I just want to show you a few more examples. Now let me talk more about editing and formatting this comment. For that, I'm just clicking on this, click on this edit comment. And if I move my cursor over this edge of this square, you can see 4 arrow icon. Just right click and select the format comment option. Just clicking on this. As soon as you click on that, it opens the format comments dialog box. Here you have a lot of options, but I would also only talk about some relevant ones. So the first one is font. So by default, it's showing the Tahoma. In case if I want to change this font as Times New Roman, I'm just selecting this. After that, I'm just trying to make this comment as bold. Click on this bold and I'm just resizing as 9 to 12. And in case if I want to make the changes in the color of the font, for example, by default showing the black color, right? I'm just selecting this color options, click on this drop down area. And here I'm just going to select as a blue color and click on OK. See, as soon as I click on this, you can see that comments such a way it's generated here, right? Again, I'm going to that option, right click, format comments and make it regular only and Tahoma selected and make it 9 and color as automatic. Okay, see, it's back to normal, right? I'm just resizing this. And here also I'm just putting some comments again, that's Selim. Right click here, insert comments, past. Okay, so in case if I don't want to make it invisible this comment, I just want to make it visible. That case, just select the respective comments, right click here and click on this show and hide comment. Just click on this. See, it's visible now. And again, right click here and show hide comments. See, both comments are visible now. Even I move my cursor anywhere else in the spreadsheet, right? And in case if you want to hide it again, right click here and hide the comment. Again, right click here, hide the comments. You can also insert a comment by using keyboard shortcut key Shift F2. Okay. And as soon as you press the Shift F2, it automatically insert comment for you. For example, I'm just clicking on Ahmad cell and Shift F2. See, the comment box has been appeared here, right? Now you can see that 3 comment has been inserted here, right? Now, if I want to delete all these comments at a time, how can we do that? Just simply select this data set, go to home ribbon. Under that, you can see the category called editing, right? Here you can see options called clear. Just click on this drop down area. Within that, you have sub options here. Under that 4th option, you can see that clear comments. Just click on it. As soon as you click on it, all the comments has been deleted or cleared from this database. Clear? Just pressing Ctrl Z. And the last thing I just want to highlight in this topics are, in case if I want to highlight these comments, in case if a large set of data within that n number of comment box has inserted, that case it's very difficult to identify which are the cells we inserted the comment box, right? For that, we have quick solutions. That means in case if you want to select only the cells against the comment has been inserted, if you want to highlight it and if you want to select it, just simply press F5 from your keyboard. See, you can go to dialog box option here and click on that special. Under that you can see a number of options. From here you just set the very first option called comments. Just click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, all the cells where comments has been inserted has been highlighted or selected here. Clear? So hope you clear this topic. Let's move to the next session.